back to my channel. Today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies. We need flour, and then sugar, then brown sugar, baking powder and baking soda, and an egg. Later. Want to put it in? Ooh. Okay. Mix. Here, I'll help you. Mix and mix. It's like an ocean full of sugar.
Sugar. Hi, sugar. Me.
Okay, you want to mix it?
It's so crunchy.
Yeah, it has like a crunch noise.
Me.
Want to add the egg? How about let's do it together. We want to make a mess.
I say, I am Hey, you want mix?
Can you help?
Okay. Why?
To make it, should mixes.
I want mixers.
Okay, I think that's enough mixing.
I want cookie.
Looks like it's snowing. Be careful.
Okay. We can put you my heart, honey.
Oh, wait. Don't use this. It'll end up bad. Wait.
Okay. Hello. Cumay. Like and subscribe kalau mau suka. Mau nggak bisa subscribe kalau mau masuk neraka?
Okay. How about you add the baking powder and baking sugar? Baking soda, sorry.
Me. I want.
Hold on, it's a bit tricky. Let me do it first, okay?
Okay. Sugar. Me. Put it, okay? Crunchy.
It's not too crunchy.
Daddy, look at crunchy.
Oh, yeah, it was crunchy earlier.
It's them. Me.
Okay, now we add chocolate chunk.
Me.
Oh, okay. Is that all of it?
I'm sure with the mixer.
Okay.
It's
There's
like
excess
so
flour.
dirty.
Oh, it's fine.
Sorry. right. Oh, it's right. It's sketchy.
Can I help? Yeah, okay.
Nanti aku. Ya.
Yeah, after this you again.
He's like a kitty. Cookies and Mikro. Mikro. I like cookies. I'm not the favorite cookies.
This is the easiest snack to make for my sisters. They usually have it at school. So I'm gonna put the cookie dough in the fridge. So set up a tray like this,
I want chili.
and then put plastic wrap on it so the cookie don't stick. This part is optional. You could put the whole like bowl of cookies in the fridge, or you could measure it first and put it in a tray, put it in the fridge again.
I'm cute on the cookies and a Squid Game. Sorry.
So we're gonna scoop. Okay. Wanna help me? Okay. So we're gonna scoop a bit of dough like this, and then just gonna like that.
I shoot it.
Okay, you could do the rest then. Not too much. Don't want too much in. Just a bit. Like that. Don't put them too near. Okay. I'm gonna do the rest, okay?
Me.
Yeah. After this. Okay, let me help, okay? Let me help, okay?
Happy.
Okay, it's good. One more? That's enough. Thank you. So now we're gonna wrap them up again with plastic wrap and put them in the fridge for around 1 until 2 hours. You wanna do it again? Okay. Wait. This should be enough. To the fridge we go. After an hour in the fridge, we can finally bake them. So first we're gonna take one dough. We're gonna roll them a bit like this. Sure it's like a little ball. And we're gonna put it onto the parchment paper. Also, the cookies don't have to be a circle. You can use shapes like a heart, maybe a star, some sort of star. So you want to put the dough in here, then you just press it. It'll form its shape like this. That. Then for harder shapes like this, it has like really puff edges, recommend pressing it down like this. You want to press it down as much as you can, and then just put the shape however much access. You can put it back again to cover up maybe spots, the gaps, just like that. It'll be nice and even. Cover every part, just like that. You can combine this with maybe another dough to make a bigger dough, or you could put it in your another batch, or you can shape it into a mini cookie like that. So we're gonna set temperature for 180 Celsius. That's the top heat, and the bottom heat we want it to be 200. So we're gonna put the cookies in, and we're gonna let them bake for around 10 minutes, and if they need a bit more baking, we'll just add another 5 minutes. And this is how you make perfect chocolate chip cookies. Enjoy!
Can I try?
You want to try it first? No, you don't like chocolate. Is it good?
It's so yummy, bro. Yummy, enak kakak. Yang mau subscribe, like, subscribe.